On a very, very important topic. I'm sure all of you agree because you're here on a Sunday. That could save not only your lives, but also the lives of your loved ones. Over the next 2 hours, we will be discussing how to better protect ourselves, our families, and our communities from earthquakes through our very, very qualified speaker who will be later on properly introduced by Secretary Gabby Claudio. I would like to thank, of course, all the organizers of this event. Actually, biglaan na po ito. We organized this like 5 days ago. And yet, there were so many people who wanted to attend. Meron parang 50 na sinabi namin huwag na kasi puno na. So, thank you very much to our Celebrity Club, very hard-working managers and staff, headed by our GM Leo Cabrera, palakpakan po natin. GM Ana Mauricio, thank you so much. Our admin department head, Ma'am Franz Madrelejos, who, as you can see, is very busy over there. Thank you also to the Rotary Club of Bagong Sandigan. Are you here? Oh, there you are. Okay. And sila po yung partners po natin, but later on, dadami pa sila. Siyempre, thank you to our Barangay Matandang Balara for coming here. Of course, we want not only to protect our employees, but also our members and our friends, lalong-lalo na po ang ating barangay. Thank you very much for coming here. Eto, kailangan ko talagang pasalamatan because due to insistent public demand, ang dami pong nanghingi ng go bags. No? Of course, hindi ito libre, but talagang pinagpuyatan po nila. Bumili po sila ng magagandang laman ng go bags po natin. Later on, they will probably explain to you kung ano ang laman. And tinignan po talaga nila kung ano yung pinakamaganda. For example, for the helmet. Yung helmet po kasi na iba, baka lalo pa kayong maaksidente. Ang pinili nila is yung talagang very durable. And it's really worth it. Kasi buhay po natin ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, there are whistles and flashlights, etc. So, thank you again. Palakpakan po natin ang owners ng ating souvenir one-stop shop, Ma'am Iza and Ruby Alcantara. So, kung gusto po ninyo mag-order, you know who they are. Everything in the go bag, as mentioned earlier, was carefully selected by them. And ginawa po nila yan in a few days' time. I don't know how they managed to do it. So maraming salamat po. Please listen very carefully to our very knowledgeable speaker. And please don't leave after his lecture because we will have a question and answer portion. Sa experience ko po, sa dami na ng aming mga seminars dito, we learn much, much more during the question and answer portion. So, for those of you who are shy, we will have pieces of paper where you can write your questions. And ang ating moderator po for the question and answer portion, hindi po ito small time. He is the best host awardee of the Alio Awards, Mr. Bon Dorospe. Okay, last but not least, I want to thank all our committee members who are here today. Thank you for gracing our event. Mr. Gabby Claudio, of course, siya po ay former presidential secretary. And then we have Howard Lee, Sir Howard, panapakan po natin si Sir Howard, Chairman of the Bowling Committee. Sir Jay Brillantes, the Vice President of the Never Stop Learning Circle. Kung gusto po ninyo mag-join, para lahat ng seminars na libre, invited kayo, just write your name there. Then, Raymond, of course, and Sir Melvin de Guzman. Sir Melvin, how old are you?
84.
84. Yes, but he doesn't want to stop learning. That's why he's always here attending our seminars. So again, thank you very much and welcome to this continuing learning seminar from the Celebrity Club, the Never Stop Learning Circle, and the Rotary Club of Bagong Santiago. Thank you.
If you liked or learned from this video, please click subscribe.